You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Hold on. You understand? Hold on, bigger. When I big up Bodyslam, you understand?
King Alfred, double celebration. And guess who's here? Ndina Simbarashe Bodyslam. Mudara nebi.
Ndem koma murete.
Tiri bo, right?
Kasangana mofu tseka.
Murugona, Pau Kama Wedu, right? Tiri ku UK, na Mr. Bodyslam. Mr. Bodyslam, how are you finding UK at the moment?
Yeah, UK is, everything's amazing. We're enjoying UK. The reception has been well. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Right. Zamuka Fambira, Zirkuitere, because we all know kuti vakauya kuzo celebrate a birthday ra King Alfred. Right. How are you finding the party so far?
Yeah, people, they're on high mood. They're celebrating the birthday on another level. Yeah. Everything is going on well. I just want to thank the fans. Birthday King Alfred. He's the father. He's Dandada. Yeah.
Right. Let's go back to Bodyslam. Yes. Right. Obviously, nini ndinogona kuziva more about the Bodyslam, but variko kunzokuka vasinamboziva kuti Bodyslam yakabva kupi. Right.
Yeah,
Bodyslam yakatanga rini?
1990. I was still young. My uncle Hilary Chabuta, Brian Tamboga, Langton Che, they started this Bodyslam family thing. Yeah. So after they retired, I took over. Yeah. That was in 2004. So we're just taking it to a higher level.
Right.
And Bodyslam is just going far, just aiming high.
Okay, right. Kune vasingazive Bodyslam. Ku Bodyslam munoita nezvei?
Bodyslam, yeah, we are a group of DJs. There's DJ Basta, DJ Trouble, myself, DJ Nyashavel, DJ Dust. We are just music family.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
We drink, eat, sleep, music. That's our thing.
Right. In my eyes, this guy is one of the most hard-working person from Zimbabwe. Mukaenda pa profile pake pa Facebook, unomuona achito vhura engine kuti atogadzira zvinhu zvitofaya. Right. Riri sei basa redu rema rori iri. Pamwe munogona kungowana macustomer kunzoko.
Yeah, we are also into transport business. We've got a fleet of Magonyet. Yeah. Yeah, we're into customs and clearing actually. Yeah. We do customs and clearing. Yeah. So we decided to venture into transport business because we clear the goods that we clear, my containers. So we hire my trucks to carry our containers to our clients. So we decided also to venture into that. We're also looking for business. Please support us.
Right. Tiri papa wada ukupa business. Wanokubata ipapi sei. Vape ma digits.
We are based in Harare, Angwa City Building, 7th floor. That's our office. Yeah. You can contact us on 0772 240 868. That's my number. Yeah. There's also 0773 445581. That's my brother's number, Buster, DJ Buster. His name is Bruce Che. Yeah, we're looking forward to your support.
Yes, we are here in London with Bodyslam mundara wacho, right? Ngatiende ku studio, right? Yes. Kana muri mu studio munoshanda nani ku studio ye Bodyslam?
Yeah, Bodyslam Records Chennai studio is now 5 months old. Yeah. Yeah, the reason why we opened that studio, ghetto youths vari kufarira zvekuimba. Yeah. So we are just there to support them. You never know tomorrow what tomorrow is about. Yeah. So there's Mbare, Chill Sport. So we decided to open Bodyslam based in Highfield. We are working with PTK. Yeah. That's our producer. He's young and talented producer. Yeah. So That's all I can say about
Right.
Bodyslam.
That Bodyslam rhythm was off the hook, right? Ma artist ese ari pa Bodyslam vese vakarova, right? Tikadzokera pa Bodyslam rhythm akanyatso kurovera chaizvo zvekuti munoti right uya akanyatso ndigonera ndiani pa Bodyslam rhythm.
Mkoma Mof, that
Yeah.
one I can't mention, you know.
Yeah.
All the artists who are on Bodyslam rhythm, they all did well.
Yeah.
I really appreciate their effort.
Yeah.
Everyone, I can't mention a name, you know.
Yeah.
I just love the music which is on that rhythm. Everything is just amazing.
Okay, right. After Bodyslam, makabiga futi rimwe. Right. Do you want to tell the audience what exactly you cooked after Bodyslam rhythm?
After Bodyslam, we engaged Choose Sport, and we have Choose Slam rhythm, which is Choose Sport Bodyslam rhythm.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're just trying to find support.
Yeah.
Mbare, Highfield, you know, that's what we did. That's DJ Levels and PTK.
Yeah.
So that's all. We're just finding support from Mbare. That's what all I can say.
Right. Tiri papo mu studio zviri kubhadhara here. Pakuti obviously you've got a studio. Aungangoita studio yekuti vanhu vanouya kuzorekota mahara. Zviri kubhadharawo here, zviri kuunzawo at least something kune vanhu vari kushanda mustudio imomo.
With the young youths, Rico, they don't have money to pay for a studio.
Yeah.
So we are there to support the young guys.
Yeah.
It's like giving back to the community.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, we have to make profit at some time.
Yeah.
But at the meantime, we're just giving back to the community, supporting the young guys.
Right. Before you leave, you know, pane vanhu vamuda kupa sando. Right. Tiri kwa King Alfred, big up King Alfred, you know. It's a big party right here. Tiri muno, tiri ku London, UK. Right. Any shout out?
Yeah, I just want to say kuna mofu andinawo panapa. Big up to you and your
Yeah.
King Alfred, T-Bells,
Yeah.
Boss Ronnie,
Yeah.
you know, Linda Marsh. I just want to say one love to you guys. We're enjoying UK to the fullest.
Yeah.
To all my Bodyslam family members, I love you all guys. Zimbabwe, I'm representing you here in UK.
Yeah.
I just want to take Zimbabwean flag to a higher level. Sim down to the world. Peace.
Right. Asiri ramnharainda kumbigira manje, right? Bodyslam, big up yourself.
Yes,
PTK, you know, urikubika mangoma.
That's Bodyslam family.
Yeah.
You know, everything was.
I maybe ya personal manje. Ndakumbosimbisa. Big up yourself PTK, urikubika machuni zvakaipa.
You know, I just want to say something to PTK.
Yeah.
PTK, you are a young, talented young man.
Yeah.
Just stay focused.
Yeah.
Don't look for like backwards. Keep going forward.
Kumberi.
Yeah, kumberi PTK. Ndionese wakati chabudira ku UK tiri kuno ku UK. I'm
Chanaye kuno ku UK abudira ku UK.
I just hope in December PTK is going to accompany us to
UK.
To our tour to UK. In December we are coming back again. So we'll be coming back with PTK.
Right. You've been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment fresh from the source. We are live here with Bodyslam. Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
Yo tipsy, yo killer, diaspora. Daka mecheza blue. Tina diaspora tiji bamba tiri tu. Tistine yese look, everything cool. Distuno tonga tisuka maburu.
You have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment fresh from the source.